Welcome to Product Critique, where we explore the smartest solutions for your home and your pets. In today's video, we're talking about what we believe is the best cat water fountain stainless steel filter on the market. The Aoogitf official cat fountain filters, a 12-pack that includes 6 filters and 6 sponges, specifically designed for Aoogitf fountains. Now, if you've already invested in a stainless steel cat fountain, keeping the water clean and safe is just as important as the design itself. And that's exactly where this product comes in. Let's start with what you get. This 12-pack contains 6 high-quality filters and 6 pre-filter sponges. Together, they form a highly effective 4-layer circulating filtration system. The filters combine activated carbon and ultra-fine non-woven fiber, working in sync to purify the water your cat drinks every day. Activated carbon is a powerful filtering agent that absorbs odors, chlorine, and harmful particles from the water. Meanwhile, the ultra-fine fiber catches pet hair, food residue, and dust. This ensures every sip your cat takes is fresh and pure. The pre-filter sponge serves as the first defense, catching larger debris before it even reaches the main filter, which means less buildup and longer-lasting clarity. Installation is simple and quick. Just rinse the filter under running water for a few seconds to remove excess carbon dust. Place it into your Aoogitf fountain, and you're good to go. No tools, no hassle. What makes these filters especially great is their brand compatibility. They're officially made for Aoogitf fountains, ensuring a snug fit and optimal performance. If you're using one of these fountains, you won't have to worry about generic filters that may not work as intended or could even damage your system. And let's not forget hygiene. Aoogitf recommends replacing the filter every 2 weeks to maintain optimal freshness. That's why this 12-pack makes sense. It keeps you covered for up to 3 months, with each filter doing its job without fail. Depending on your home environment, like if you have multiple pets or more dust, you might want to adjust the frequency. But overall, it's a reliable and low-maintenance system for peace of mind. One more thing to note. This filter pack doesn't require any power source. It's entirely manual and designed with simplicity in mind. Lightweight at just 0.13 kilograms, it's easy to store and handle. In conclusion, the Aoogitf official cat fountain filter pack is a must-have for pet owners who care about water quality and long-term savings. It offers dependable filtration, easy maintenance, and is tailored specifically to your stainless steel Aoogitf fountain. So if you're ready to give your cat the freshest water every day, this is the upgrade your pet routine deserves. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more pet product reviews right here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and give your cat a perfect hydration experience today.